Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see another settings. So we have seen how system settings will work, and we have seen the devices also. Now we will see how to link our Android phone or iPhone to your system. So first of all, you have to click on this, then get instant access to your mobile device photos, text, calls, and more. Then you have to turn on phone link on and give me suggestion for using my mobile device with Windows. So it will give some suggestions. So first of all, you have to click on this open phone link. Then it will then then some pop-up will be open. Ready to link another device and click on Android. Your QR code will be open. So then you have to open the QR scanner from your phone, and just we have to scan the QR code. Then then our phone, our details, text details, messages, and all those things will be connected to this system. So device linking complete. So done. So device linking is completed. So we have to press on continue. So getting started. So you can see the messages. So see here. So you can see my messages, right? So you can see my messages. These are the messages you can see. So here, if you click on calls, you can see, and you can click on photos, you can see. For security reasons, I'm not showing my calls and my photos. That's it. I hope you understand how to link our phone and how to access the our phone to the computer. So that's it, friends. It's a simple video how to link your phone to your system. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.